Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new, if this is your first time dropping by my channel, do not forget to smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right in today's content. Yeah, I did miss a video yesterday for you guys, but I just decided to take a day off and really kind of get my mind cleared up, because over the past 1.5 months I've been giving you guys daily updates. So I decided to go out with my partner, have a great time outside, just enjoy the nature. But today we're back on schedule, and I'm going to continue making daily uploads for you guys till the end of this year. Looking at the market cap right now, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $884.7 billion, down 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.5%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see we are seeing a little bit of green across the board over the last 1 hour, but overall, the majority of the markets, especially over the last 24 hours, we're still seeing a lot of red across the board. As mentioned in my emergency update for you guys, that we're still not out of the woods yet, because BTC price is very, very in the danger zone as we speak. But today, guys, I want to cover more towards Vechain, and let's get right into that. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain, it is currently trading at 2 cents right now, down 4.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, down 4% in Bitcoin comparative as well in the last 24 hours. Current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 34 spot. So despite the sea of red that we're seeing across the markets right now, Vechain is holding quite strongly around that 34th spot. So that is definitely something positive to take out of this. Market cap is currently sitting at 1.47 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 56.7 million. But now, before we jump into the charts, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Very, very interesting. So let's get right into that. Vechain x Victor San Marino. We want to help companies, organizations, public administrations, and people to contribute to the common objectives concerning sustainability. And this is a full article that, if you are a Vechain holder, that you want to read about this entire partnership collaboration that they're having with Victor San Marino. And I strongly encourage each and every one of the Vechain community members to take a part and read this. Very, very interesting. But now, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now on the daily time frame, we've been pretty much flattened out, back to where we've been for quite some time, for almost since June of this year. We've been consolidating within this range. Not much has been going on, but now comes a question that's on everyone's mind. Taking into consideration the overall bearishness that we're seeing within the markets right now, are we about to see Vechain lose this 2 cent support and head back below, and possibly even below a penny? Is that a possibility right now in the books for Vechain? And that's what I'm going to go over with you guys right now, and tell you where most likely we could be headed in the immediate short term, not long term, immediate short term. But let's look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin right now is still, as mentioned to you guys previously, we're not in the safe end. And as of now, we still have not managed to get back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We're still trading below it. And currently, as of recording this video, we're currently trading at $16,832. And right now, still extreme danger. And if we do not try to get back above the 78.6, guys, then we possibly could be in for retest at that 15k mark, and possibly even go lower than that. Obviously, on Friday, I believe Thursday, we did see about $1.2 trillion get injected into the stock market. That's massive money. 1.2 trillion in the stock market. That did have a little bit of a positive impact on the crypto markets as well, because at the end of the day, we are pretty much correlated over the past 2 to 3 years. But as far as the overall sentiment is concerned, we're still in the bearish end, and I do not expect the bullish trend to come until 2023. I do believe markets are going to start hovering back towards the upside, and a parabolic move is going to happen after the Bitcoin halving in 2024. So now is the time to be accumulating the projects that you have your eyes on. Obviously, the FTX mania that we have seen, absolutely mind-blowing and very, very unacceptable in my personal opinion. This should not be happening. We should have more risk measures in place, more people monitoring these funds, because, and this is why, this brings me to my other point. I've been telling my viewers since day one that you do not want to be locking in your profits on these exchanges, because these exchanges own the private keys. You do not own the private keys. If you have, just because you have the username and password towards your account, that does not mean you own the funds. You always want to be storing your assets on a cold bear storage. Link in the description box below for a Ledger Nano. I strongly recommend, if you are in it for the long haul, store your coins on these hardware wallets, not on these exchanges, because you do not own the keys. And FTX is a massive example, as well as look what happened with Quadriga X just a few years back. Quadriga X collapsed, the owner vanished with people's funds, and boom, everyone was left stranded. And this goes to show that how important it is to hold your private keys. As far as Vechain is concerned, guys, I'm bullish more than ever. Despite the fact that we're seeing a lot of uncertainty within the markets, we're still holding at the top 34 spot, still holding quite strong at that $1.4 billion market cap. And that really goes to show that this community really is very strong. Everyone believes in this project, and if they continue doing what they're doing, guys, the next bull cycle, I'm very optimistic that we are going to see insane highs. But right now, I do want to see the price of Vechain try to start heading back towards this zone around that 2.9 cents mark. But right now, considering what's going on, we might not see that happen. But POA 2.0 November 17th coming, so a little bit of a green candle would not hurt if that were to happen. But let's not forget, a lot of uncertainty coming on right now, whether it's for Vechain or any other project. But if you look at Vechain's all-time low on March 13th, 2022, we're still up 959% since then. So that's what a lot of people tend to forget. But this is what I like reminding you guys. We need to look at the bigger picture, and every cycle is going to be the same. And this is why it's very important to lock in profits when you're sitting at massive gold mines at the top. You do not want to be getting greedy. But now I can also say that you want to be there's also like a famous thing that I always tell you guys about, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The people that are being greedy right now, when there's a massive sea of red across the board, panic, everyone is panicking, and the people that are accumulating the strong projects, not any project, strong with strong fundamental and utility, those are the projects that are going to succeed, and those are the people that are going to make it the next bull cycle. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this news for Vechain, and where you could see the price of Vechain go at the end of 2023. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.